Rodri with a thunder strike gives Manchester City the second goal against Exeter City in the third round of the FA Cup, and it's coming to the finish of the first half, and Manchester City is now leading this match with a 2-0 lead against Exeter City, and Manchester City will be advancing to the next round. But the first goal was scored by Max Allen, who's a 20-year-old defender for Manchester City, and he's doing very well, and Manchester City is now expecting the third round. We are not saying their coach Pep Guardiola are very happy even if the goal is scored. The guy is just seated there because he already know what he can do with this team, and he's doing very well. Guys, subscribe, like, and comment.